Welcome to Visionary Designs, where we explore the captivating world of architecture and design. Today, we delve into the enchanting realm of modern rustic farmhouses, a style that effortlessly blends contemporary elegance with the warm, inviting charm of rural life. Imagine a place where the beauty of nature is embraced and celebrated. Modern rustic farmhouses embody this ethos, creating a serene and harmonious atmosphere. The aesthetic is characterized by a connection to the outdoors, with large windows that frame picturesque views and bring in natural light. The interplay between indoor and outdoor spaces fosters a sense of tranquility, making every moment spent here feel special. As you step into a modern rustic farmhouse, you are enveloped in a warm, inviting ambiance. The design features natural materials such as weathered wood, smooth stone, and sleek metal, which come together to create a cozy yet sophisticated environment. Picture the rich textures of reclaimed wood, the coolness of stone underfoot, and the warmth of sunlight streaming through expansive windows. The color palette often reflects earthy tones, soft browns, muted greens, and warm grays, harmonizing with the surrounding landscape and enhancing the overall sense of calm. If you're loving the vibe of modern rustic farmhouses, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more inspiring content from Visionary Designs. One of the most enchanting aspects of modern rustic design is its ability to evoke nostalgia while remaining firmly rooted in the present. This style embraces imperfections, celebrating the character of reclaimed materials and vintage pieces that tell a story. Each piece holds history, perhaps a hand-carved table with scratches from years of family meals, or a beautifully aged chair that beckons you to sit and linger. The careful curation of furniture and decor creates a space that feels lived in and welcoming, inviting you to relax and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. The atmosphere in a modern rustic farmhouse is often enhanced by thoughtful lighting choices that create a cozy glow. Imagine soft pendant lights hanging from exposed wooden beams, casting a warm light over a gathering space, or flickering candles lining a rustic table, illuminating laughter-filled evenings with friends and family. The interplay of light and shadow adds depth to the space, enhancing its inviting character and encouraging connection and conversation. In this design, the emphasis is on functionality and comfort, making it perfect for those who appreciate a lifestyle that balances modern convenience with rustic charm. Spaces are designed for gathering, sharing meals, and creating lasting memories. Whether it's a cozy nook filled with plush pillows and a soft throw blanket for reading, or an expansive area perfect for entertaining, each corner is infused with a sense of purpose and love. A modern rustic farmhouse is more than just a design style. It's a lifestyle choice. It invites you to slow down and appreciate the beauty of simplicity. Picture mornings spent sipping coffee on a porch that overlooks rolling hills, the sound of rustling leaves, and birdsong filling the air. The essence of this design is rooted in sustainability and a deep appreciation for craftsmanship, encouraging us to cherish the materials and objects that surround us. At Visionary Designs, we believe that modern rustic farmhouses resonate with those who seek harmony in their living spaces. They are a reminder of the beauty found in nature and the warmth of home, creating a perfect blend of modern aesthetics and timeless charm. Each farmhouse tells its own story, reflecting the lives and memories of those who dwell within. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of modern rustic farmhouses. If you found inspiration in this design style, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what resonates with you. Stay tuned for more design inspiration from Visionary Designs.